Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen veg full guide. Begin by toasting sesame and coriander, simmer kombu and shiitake for a rich broth, and prep carrots, bok choy, and scallions. Cook noodles separately to avoid starchy broth, then combine and taste for salt and acidity. Finish with sesame oil, a squeeze of lime, and toasted seeds for crunch and brightness before serving hot and enjoying immediately. Start by making a concentrated vegetable broth using kombu, dried shiitake, onion, and ginger simmered gently for depth. Strain and return the broth to low heat, then whisk in mellow miso paste and soy sauce to balance umami and salt. Add a touch of mirin for sweetness and rice vinegar for brightness. Keep the broth warm while preparing toppings so flavors meld, and always taste before assembling each bowl. Quick recommendation if you like small comforts. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more veg ramen guides. I dropped the product link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Enjoy the little upgrades. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Choose noodles that suit your texture preference, thin for lighter bowls or thick for hearty slurps. Blanch greens and quick pickle onions for contrast, roast mushrooms for caramelized umami, and pan-fry tofu for crispy protein. Layer ingredients thoughtfully, noodles, hot broth, then arrange toppings to keep textures distinct. Garnish with scallions, sesame seeds, and a drizzle of chili oil or sesame oil. Serve immediately so noodles keep their bite and toppings retain texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.